Good morning. The upcoming videos include the 7th unit P block elements. You have learned that P block elements are placed in group 13 to group 18. Presence of three types of elements, that is metals, metalloids and non-metals in the same block brings diversification in the chemistry of these elements. So study of P block elements will be highly interesting. You learned about group 13 and group 14 in class 11th. In this unit, you will learn about elements of the subsequent groups. Before all else, I will explain group 16. Group 16 of the periodic table consists of 5 elements: oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium and polonium. They are also known as chalcogens because they are ore forming elements. They are also known as oxygen family because oxygen is the first member in 16th group. Now let us look their occurrence. Oxygen is the most abundant element among all elements. It makes 23% of atmosphere and 46.6% by mass of Earth's crust. But sulfur is less abundant. Selenium and tellurium are least abundant. When we talk about polonium, it is radioactive and it is also less abundant element. Its abundance is almost 0.001 parts per million only. Now let us look on to some of the properties of P block elements. First, about their electronic configuration. 16th group elements are having 6 electrons in their outermost shell. So the outer electronic configuration is ns2np4. Next, atomic radius. Atomic radii and ionic radii of P block elements increase from top to down because of the increase in number of shells. So that is the trend in atomic size of 16th group. What is about electron gain enthalpy? General trend of variation of electron gain enthalpy is a decrease from top to down. That means electron gain enthalpy should become less negative from top to down. Here there is an exception in 16th group. Oxygen has less negative electron gain enthalpy compared to sulfur. This is due to the compact nature of oxygen. But from sulfur to polonium, electron gain enthalpy value is becoming less negative. Next, about ionization enthalpy. From top to down, ionization enthalpy is decreasing. But ionization enthalpy values for 16th group elements are lower than the ionization enthalpy values for 15th group. This is because of the presence of half-filled outermost orbitals in the case of 15th group. In 15th group, they are having half-filled p orbitals which is highly stable. So, removal of electron will not occur easily from 15th group elements. So, 15th group elements are having higher ionization enthalpy values than 16th group elements. Electronegativity is the next property. It is decreasing from oxygen to polonium because atomic number is increasing from oxygen to polonium. So oxygen is possessing highest electronegativity value in 16th group elements. So you can note down one more thing. Since electronegativity is decreasing from top to down, metallic character increases from oxygen to polonium.